Looking for a way to make some money online? Well, how about $10 to $25 an hour just for talking? Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to give you the rundown of 5 different websites that will pay you to help people learn how to speak English. And if you're not a native English speaker, that's okay. There's some of them that actually teach other languages as well. They literally range from simply just talking to someone, just chatting them up and helping them really hone their English skills to actually teaching a class. So there's a really broad range for this. Now, some of these sites are available worldwide, while others are only available for the US or select countries. Now, each site works differently with different requirements, so make sure that you watch to the very end so that you can choose the best option for you. Plus, the highest paying ones come at the end, so if you want to make it to $100 a day, you definitely want to stick around. Now, I am putting the links to each of these down in the description so you can open that up and access those when you decide which one you want to go with. Now, please note that all of this is considered active income. You do something once and you get paid once for it. It's active income, kind of a 1-to-1 ratio. But if you're more interested in learning how to create passive income where you do the work once and you can continue to get paid on that same work over and over again, then make sure that you click the link at the top of the description to learn how to go from 0 to 6 figures online and then 6 figures and beyond. Now, number 6 is VIPKid. Now, this started back in 2013, and some folks really refer to it as the top choice for Canadians and Americans. Now, this connects Chinese students with native North American English speakers. Now, they will handle all of the lesson planning for you. They're going to grade tests for you, and if you ever have to speak to a parent of a kid, they take care of that for you as well. Now, classes are 25 to 30 minutes each, and you have the potential for $22 an hour with them. Now, number 5 is called CueKids. This is another great option for American and Canadian native English speakers. Now, with them, you can earn up to $20 an hour, and you get a $100 referral bonus for referring other teachers. Now, materials and lessons are provided for you, and training is also included to help you just get better. It has a very flexible schedule, but as part of the application process, you actually have to submit a video. They give you very detailed instructions on what that video should entail, and you have to do that as part of your application. Now, you don't need to speak Mandarin or Cantonese for this, and really for all of these, I have not seen a second language as a requirement. So just being able to speak English well is enough for all of these sites. You don't have to know the native language of whoever you're teaching. Now, with CueKids, it is a classroom setting, but you're going to have a maximum of 4 students per class. Now, the requirements are that you have to live in the US or Canada, and you need a bachelor's degree or higher, and you also have to commit to a minimum of 6 hours per week. Now, number 4 is called Cambly. Now, this is basically tutoring, so it's more informal than something like VIPKids or CueKids. You're actually just going to be talking with people who already speak English at some level and just want to practice their conversational skills. So there's no experience, no degrees needed. And with this one, you can work from anywhere in the world. It's super flexible. You just log in on the app when you have a free moment and you can start taking calls. Now, if you like chatting with people, this can be a really good option for you. You get to chit chat with people from all over the world, really experiencing other cultures. Now, lessons and materials are available if needed. So if you're not really a chit-chatty person, that doesn't come natural, they do have lessons that you can use that you can go through with people. Now, it's super easy to sign up. There's no contract, and they pay just over $10 an hour. Number 3 is called English Hunt, and you're actually teaching Korean students English. It pays $2 for 10 minutes of work, so that's $12 an hour. And with them, you're actually going to be teaching adults. Curriculum is provided, and you can teach by phone or online anywhere in the world. Now, while you can be anywhere in the world, you actually have to be a US resident. On top of that, you're going to need at least 48 hours of college credits or what's called a TEFL or ESL certificate. And number 2 is called italki. I don't know if that's how they pronounce it, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. This is where you become a teacher of English to people who are not native English speakers. You set the pay rate for what you're going to be charging students, and then you apply to teach in whatever language you're fluent in. So they have English, Chinese, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, German, Russian, Korean, Arabic, Hindi, Italian, and they say more. So if the language that you speak isn't in there, you can still check it out and see if it's something they're accepting. Now, you're in complete charge of the lessons. Now, there are professional teachers who do this, and they charge about $25 per hour, while others charge about $12 an hour. Now, while you set the price point, you have to be kind of competitive with others so that you actually get students. Now, you set your own schedule and you decide what you teach, so you do need to create your own lessons plans. Now, you can work from anywhere in the world, and while you set your own prices, understand that italki takes 15% of the commissions. Number 1 is teachparttime.com. This is actually run by EF Education First. Now, with them, you're actually teaching Chinese children online, and it's often a great solution for folks in the UK. Now, something of note that I think this is the same parent company that works with CueKid. It's just a different program. Now, you must be from the US, Canada, or the UK, and you must be residing there. Very flexible schedule, and you can make anywhere from $14 to $25 an hour. Lesson materials are available, and there's no need, again, to speak any other languages. It does require, though, that you have a bachelor's degree or higher and a 40-hour minimum TEFL certificate. So it does have more requirements, but it pays very well, and it might be a great option if you're in the UK. Now, again, if you want to learn more about passive income, income, make sure that you click the link at the top of the description to get access to that training. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you haven't subscribed, guess what? You gotta subscribe so we can help you with that. Say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this video floating up here, and I'll see you soon.